welcome back everyone to the channel. Bit on the Norton today. The old A10 is kicked out the front, holding the seat for me. So I'm going to put the down pipes on. So the copper washers still nice and soft, so we'll go with them rather than the Needham. Just going to give this a scrub up, make sure the threads are clean, and then I'll give the pipe a wipe down with some solvent wipe, bit of solvent wipe, get all this in storage dust off because we haven't got the grand amount of room. So I'll give this a clean, give this a wipe, and then we'll get the other silencer out, and then we'll have a look, see what she looks like. So we should hopefully be looking down the bike at a video worth seeing. So I've still got to finish the alternator, and I've got a clutch spring missing. If we put our exhaust washer in, and then this side's got no, you go up out the way, kicks side stand. Should be able to home this into here. Thread's pretty clean. That screws in by hand. Need to find the old Bantam C spanner, wherever that's got to. Give that a tighten up. And then, where are you looking? Push it back a bit. So cleaned up the cigar. Bring it down the bike a bit. So I don't have footrests at the moment, and I also don't see where I left the U-clamp up there. Stick that on over the top. Nut and washer off for the exhaust. Hopefully this will clear the bracketry. Think about keeping it nice and loose. A little bit more somewhere. Oh, there's a bit of room to manoeuvre around there. Right, see if I can find the C spanner to get some bit of tightness up there, and then I guess we can let this float. It comes up pretty close to it, doesn't it? Right, let's see where we go next and bring it back. So this side has the brake switch, which I've popped in. It's all floaty loose, but at the moment that little plate pulls away from the brake. That should be tight back. So I don't know whether I need to gut this internally and flip it round, and then that would push right up to there, and then this would that work? Yes, because that would need pushing in to sort the contacts out. So we'll have a closer look at that if we can. Right, just putting the chain guard in, and that bolt is okay, and that one's a bit long. So just to make sure it's not near the tyre, what I'm going to do is there's the bolt with the shoulder, I'm going to cut against the nut, wind the nut back, file it, wind the nut off, and then we should be alright to sneak that in there. That's the chain guard fitted. That one's the cut down bolt, that's the normal bolt. And if I sneak you in, I might cut that one down, but it clears everything. And up there is a cut down one, so it's nowhere near the tyre. So next thing to address is, this is quite a pretty little bike with the exhaust on now. So I'll have a push tomorrow, see if I can do the fuel, and then we're in a position, because we know we've got spark, and I've got a new set of plugs to go in her, because I like Champions. They've always done me well. So yeah, okay then, thanks for watching, cheers.